How to download Elden Ring Night Rain on your Windows computer. So first open a browser. So I'm using Chrome. You can use any browser you want, and from here search for Steam. So once you search for Steam, you will find the first result. Tap here, and from here you will find this install Steam button. Tap here and tap here again. So you will have to download this application. Start download and open it. So this is the Steam setup. Double click here, and this is how Steam's setup looks like. Press next, choose your language, press next, choose your destination folder, and then press the install button. So once you do that, you will find Steam application. This is the Steam application. Just create an account. You need to create a Steam account, right? So that's pretty simple. Just create one. Once you double click here, you will be redirected to create a Steam account. So once you are in this section of Steam, you will find this library. So press store, and from the search here, search for Elden Ring Night Rain. So that's the game. Just tap here. So you can watch the trailer if you want. This is the trailer. This game is pretty good, So once you do everything, then you will find this option add to cart. So this is the regular version, and this is the deluxe edition. Just tap add to cart, and then view my cart, and continue to payment. So once you complete your payment, and then you have to come to your library. From here you will get your game in this list. So you need to pay for the game, and after you pay, your game will be reflected somewhere here, and then simply press the install button. All right, that's pretty much it. That's how you play Elden Ring on your computer. So yeah, thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.